In this lesson, we're going to go through a real-world example of a complete Mac backup system. With 3 tiers of backups, this system makes it extremely difficult to lose files or data, even in the worst of circumstances. Let's start in System Settings and iCloud. On this Mac, as well as on my iPhone and iPad, I have iCloud Photos and iCloud Drive activated. This means files or photos added on any of my devices are going to sync with iCloud and then end up being backed up from this Mac in Tier 2 and 3. Notice that the Desktop and Document Folders option is turned on here, so they're going to be synced in iCloud Drive as well. Syncing photos and files with iCloud is not a true backup, but it does allow for recovery if your device is lost or stolen. When items are deleted from the Photos app, they're going to be stored in a recently deleted album for about 30 days before being permanently deleted. We also have a data recovery section on iCloud.com that will be able to recover files deleted from iCloud Drive and other apps for about a month as well. Notice there are also restore options for Safari bookmarks, contacts, and calendars. So utilizing iCloud Sync is a good first option for file redundancy and possible recovery. Tier 2 is a time machine backup. This is going to back up everything on this Mac other than the base system files. Those can always be recovered with a reinstall of macOS. Currently, this time machine backup will occur every hour when the drive is turned on and plugged in. This creates a great incremental backup. We can recover individual files and folders using the Time Machine interface, or we can recover the entire Mac from a Time Machine backup. I only turn on this drive occasionally because it's a large mechanical hard drive that makes a lot of noise during the backup. Unlike many external hard drives, it has a power button, so it doesn't need to be unplugged from the Mac. Just press the power button to turn it off. I could switch to an SSD drive to avoid the noise issue, but I don't feel the need to do that so far. When powered on, the Mac is going to recognize this as a Time Machine drive and will automatically begin executing the backup to it. Notice that we can have multiple Time Machine backups for this Mac. The second one here is another hard drive that I keep off-site. Its backup is only updated once or twice a year. The main reason that I'm comfortable with only attaching the main Time Machine drive to this Mac occasionally is because of the third backup tier, which is an online backup that's done through Backblaze. This also backs up all the files on this Mac, and it can do so continuously. So as new photos, videos, documents, or folders are added, they are backed up via Backblaze. There are no file size or storage limits when using Backblaze. Files are able to be recovered from Backblaze individually, or they can send you your entire backup on a USB drive for a fee. I've used Backblaze now for close to a decade, and it's worked wonderfully. So that's an overview of the Mac backup system that I use. It leaves me very comfortable that all my files are safe and will be 100% recoverable in case of theft or disaster. For more information on backup methods, see our full Mac backup tutorial. Thanks for watching.